Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA X30 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's enter. And as you can see, we've been directly transferred to this well-being, but be aware that if you are opening this option for the very first time, you will have to choose between the well-being and the parental controls. Of course, after picking one, you will also be able to get back to the previous option. As you can see at the very bottom, you've got the option parental controls in my case. But let's simply tap on show your data at the top, and here we've been transferred to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. And in order to learn more, to get some further information, we've got two different ways to do that. We can tap inside the graph, and as you can see, we will be transferred to the dashboard, which is connected with the full screen time. So here you can see that it is divided between particular apps. We can check for how long we've been using them and so on. We can change also the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And the second way to check some further details is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings. And as you can see, again, we've got the dashboard, we've got the graph, but this time it is tightly connected with this particular app. And again, we can check for how much we've been using it in particular days. The same situation, screen time, notifications received, or times opened. And here we've got an additional option, so from daily to hourly. Alright, so basically this is how to check the total screen time in your device. But just a quick disclaimer about the ways to disconnect, because I really think that this option is so cool and can be so useful. So here we've got the dashboard, bedtime mode and focus mode, and I highly recommend to use them if you feel that you need to rest, if you need to work and you don't want to be disturbed, if you want to spend time with your family or just cut out the social media and so on. That's the best option to choose. So let me show you, for example, the focus mode. As you can see, after entering it, we can select some distracting apps. So the apps from which you are receiving most notifications. So it can be, I don't know, kind of like a Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or whatever app is taking a lot of time from you. So basically mark it. So let me pretend that it is Antutu 3D Bench and the Chrome. As you can see, they will immediately appear in this Your Distracting Apps section, and now we can set a schedule. So for example, pick the start and the end time and particular days in which we want to limit the notifications, because after setting the schedule and turning on the focus mode, your device will simply limit the notifications from those apps. It will simply hide it, so you will not receive them, and thanks to this you will not be distracted. So basically that's all. This is how to check the total screen time in your NOKIA X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.